to the second semi-final match between Guyana vs St. Louis Jukia. Before knowing the preview of this match, please go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand so that you will get my Telegram channel. So please subscribe my Telegram channel. Friends, now we will see the preview in the short time only. I will explain everything in short time, so please listen carefully. I will not waste your time, so please listen carefully this video. Coming to the venue, Brain Lara Stadium, it is and this pitch and venue stats average first inning score is 142 from 17 complete played matches at this venue so far in this season, and average second inning score is 133. And coming to the pitch report, this pitch is behaving a lot of better for batting nowadays, and 150 can be a good score. Weather conditions, there are chances of rain on the match too, so that we can expect interruption or reduction in number of hours. Coming to the probable 11 of the Guyana team, Brandon B. King, Say Hamraj, S. Hetmer, R. Taylor, Poran, Kevin Paul, Sinclair, R. Shepard, Chris Green, Imran Tahir, Navinul. Coming to the St. Louis Juke, probable 11, R. Cornwell, Mark DL, A. Fletcher, Roston Chase, Nazbul Jatran, Mohammad Nabi, Darren Sami, G. Glenn, Kesrick Williams, Scott Kuzlian, Zaire Khan. Coming to the stats of the both teams, so please listen carefully. Brandon King, opener batsman, 30 matches, 763 runs. He is very good attacking player who can score very huge runs in the power play only. C. Hamraj also is another opener player, 14 matches, 360 runs, another good important player who has a good average in St. Louis Jukes team. As Shamron Atmer is very important player who can play very important role in this match. And coming to the roster, there is also another very good experienced player who can stand for some overs and who can get some huge runs like 50 to 60 runs. So and coming to Nicholas Sporan, is the another big hitter for Guyana team, and he starts at 60 matches, 1036 runs. Came up for 24 matches, 126 runs, 18 wickets. K. Sinclair 4 matches, 5 wickets. Chris Green 23 matches, 88 runs, 23 wickets. Shepard 13 matches, 74 runs, 17 wickets. Imran Tahir 21 matches, 32 wickets. Navin Holak 11 matches, 14 wickets. Coming to the St. Louis Jukes, I will tell you the combination, so please listen carefully. Brandon King and C. Hamraj, these are the both two opener batsmen who can score very huge runs, but Brandon King is not a good touch, so he can probably get earlier in the out. So please listen carefully that Guyana has a very weak batting order. The three middle order batsmen such Atmer, Rosteller, Kim and Poran. These are the three important players and who can get some huge runs. So try to go with the middle order batsman. And coming to the bowling combination also, K. Sinclair is very good bowler who can bowl in the power play and who can get 2 or 3 wickets, very important. And coming to the R. Shepard is also another very important player who he can get some wickets in the with new ball, and he is bowling in the power play. So try to remember Shepard and Sinclair is very important role play. Coming to the Imran Tahir, also very good player. Navinul Haq who will bowl some very good bowling and who will bowl some slow balls also. So there are less chances of getting wickets. So try to remember that. So Navinul Haq also. And coming to the St. Louis Joke players, R. Cornwell, opener batsman, 33 matches, 544 runs, 16 wickets. Mardia. Coming to the domestic record, 4 matches, 55 runs and 1 wicket. A. Fletcher, one run batsman, 66 matches, 1870 runs. Roston Chase, 6 matches, 129 runs. Nazbul Jadran, 115 matches, 1232 runs. Mohammad Nabi, 12 matches, 98 runs. Darren Sami, 62 matches, 856 runs, 23 wickets. Jay Glenn, 3 matches, 6 wickets. Kuzligians, 95 matches, 567 runs, 85 wickets. K. Williams, 29 matches, 53 wickets. Jay Khan, 52 matches, 65 wickets. And coming to the St. Lucia Jukes also, they also have a batting order, very weak batting order. So try to remember that R. Cornwell, who is the very big hitter and he can get earlier in the out, but he is scoring at least 20 to 25 runs in previous 2 matches, so you can go with him. And Mardial also another good youngster player who can get some huge runs. So try to remember. And A. Fletcher he is also not good touch. So it's your choice only. Roston Chase, he is also with not in form, but he can play very well because this is the semi-final matches. So some big players can play very crucial role. Coming to the Nazmul Jadran, another middle order batsman, and Mohammad Nabi. And try to remember from both teams, the middle order batsman is very important. Try to keep the middle order batsman and go with the one team. So it's very important player. And coming to the bowling combination, Eskul Zillian have a very good record in Guyana team. Coming to the if St. Louis Jukes will bowl first, then go with Eskul Zillian as a very important player, and Mohammad Nabi, Roston Chase. These are the very three important bowlers who can get some huge wickets. Coming to Zaire Khan, also another medium pace bowler, so there is a less chances to get wickets. So probably the three bowlers who has I said the important players. Coming to the bowling combination, power play bowling combination for Guyana, K. Sinclair, Chris Green and Shepard. These are the three players who will bowl for Guyana team, and middle order bowling combination K. Paul, Thai, Sinclair, Chris Green, and try to remember power play bowling order is very important because these are the because power play bowling Sinclair is a very important player who will get 2 to 3 wickets in the power play only, and depth order also K. Paul and Shepherd. These are the bowling combination for Guyana. Coming to the bowling combination, St. Louis Jukia, K. Kuzli and Mohammad Nabi, Jay Grant. These are the bowlers who will bowl in the power play. Middle order bowling combination Archers, K. Williams, Nabi. Depth bowling combination K. Kuzli and K. Williams. Players who have a good record in head-to-head matches. Previous 2 matches I checked in the fan code and I gathered all the records, and coming to the K. Gujlegian who has a very good record with Guyana team. Hetmer also has a very good record, and coming to C. Amraj and Poran Thai, these are the important players who have very good record in both in head-to-head matches. Players to watch today's matches: Brandon King, Fletcher, Chase, Cornwell, and captain vice captain choices are Hetmer, Nabi, Chase, Gujlegian, Sinclair, and Thai, R. Shepherd, and this pitch is supporting more spinners, so try to go with one team as a keep the middle order batsman and go with the both teams spinners only. So maybe there is a high chance of getting some huge amount. So this is my preview, and coming to the my telegram channel. So my telegram channel is a target for Gandhi. If you like this preview, please subscribe my telegram channel and YouTube channel. My telegram channel link will be in my description. If you like this video, please keep supporting me so that I can do so many best videos, so that you can get some, you can learn more and more important points in this video. Thank you friends.